Bad breath in dogs. Just like people, pets also need to maintain healthy teeth and gums. A dog's dental care is just as important as vaccination and parasite control. There are many causes of bad breath in dogs. Tartar buildup is the most common of them. Every day, bacteria and food residues stick to the surface of teeth and form plaque. If plaque is not removed, it hardens over time and forms tartar. Once tartar buildup has occurred, a dental scale and polish is required to remove it. Besides bad breath, tartar can also lead to gum inflammation, gum recession, infections, and eventually tooth loss. Tartar and bad breath can be reduced by following your vet's advice, which will include tips to delay buildup of bacteria, plaque, and tartar. Even if you follow these tips to keep your pet's teeth clean, it is still important to regularly visit your vet for dental checkups to monitor for other dental problems. Remember that improving your pet's dental hygiene means ensuring their well-being.